Okay, so we're doing the Follow Me Dictation on page 22, and I forgot to start this at the beginning. So what we have so far is do, re, mi, fa, so, do, ti, la. And what do we need next? So, where's so gonna be?
Space.
Second space. Now, if you look at the song next to you, right? Do you see it? Do you see that note? Is a half note, so don't color it in. Does that make sense? Bar line. Yeah, if you colored it in, just uncolor it. And now we're going to stop and put the stems on all of that, and then we'll go on.
Is there a line measure right after the so?
Is there a what?
A line measure right after the so?
Well, I was going to go down. I would go down to the next line, but you don't have to. If you wrote them smaller, that's okay. You can still use that. That's fine. Okay, so now let's talk about rhythm. The stems, the lines on the notes give you the rhythm, right? So we need 2 beats in each of these measures. Sometimes we have the right number of notes and makes it obvious. Sometimes we have what looks like too many notes, right? So you see our first measure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 notes, but we need just 2 beats. So what do we do? Think of yellow cards. I didn't get them out. Remember all those old yellow cards they had?
Oh, yeah.
Do, day, do day, do day.
Like that?
Remember that? Uh-huh. Yep, you're right. So we'd have do day,
So
right?
the 4 aren't connected?
There is more than one way to do days. Okay, so everybody look up here. That's a good question. So you can do it like that. Do day. But you can also connect the whole thing. I don't know why, but that's,
the whole thing.
you can connect the whole thing. And that's how they had it on the other page, right? They had all 4 connected. You can do it either way, okay?
This one is simple.
So now we have do day. What do we need on the next measure?
A double note.
Just what?
A double note.
Just 2 lines.
2 lines.
No, what you just did made it 1 beat. You need 2 beats.
Oh, 2.
So they're both just do's. Do. Now, here's where I'm going to get a little picky. I don't know if I've ever been picky for you guys before. Now's the time to learn where the stems go. So here's the rule. We may have talked about it before. I'm going to go over here. This line here, once you hit this line in the treble clef, they go down. If they're below that, they go up. So far we've been going up. But you see our next note is higher than that, so it's going to go down. Let's just put the stems on and then we'll figure out the due date. So you're going to put the stem, it's going to be on the left side of the note, down. This one's also going to be down, and all 3 of those are going to be down.
Oh, it's this one.
You see it? You can look up
1
here.
or 2 beats.
Down. Well, we have to fix the beats still, but we were just putting the stems on them. So we got them in the right spots. Okay, now we've got 3 notes. So right now we have 3 beats, and we can't have 3 beats. We have to have 2 beats. So follow me. Which 2 are going to be connected together?
The last 2.
Oh, difference of opinion. Let me sing again.
First 2.
Follow me.
The last 2.
The last 2. And you're going to connect them at the bottom because the stems are going down. Are we good? And then our last note, you see we're below that line, so our stem's going to go back up again.
It's just 1 beat, right?
Yes, I alerted you to make that a half note because you need 2 beats, right? Follow me. Okay, so you don't color it in. That gives it 2 beats. Okay, now we're ready to go back to the solfege again. So far we've had, I'm gonna go down here. Okay, so far we've had do, re, mi, fa, so, do, ti, la, so, bum. We need a fa. Now you're going down. If you're going down in the next line, it makes it a little tricky. Where's fa gonna be?
I'm staying on the first line. Second?
What were you gonna say? The second what?
The second line.
You are exactly right. Your fa's on the second line. So when you change lines, you have to be careful where you put them. Fa. How many fa's did we need? Follow me. let's make a, yep, we need 3 of them. Yep, bar line. Dun, 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 dun. What do we need next?
Me?
Yep. How many me's? Bum, bum. 2 me's. Bum, bum.
Wait, where are the bar lines? I just did that on accident. Where are the bar lines?
Well, you can see from up here, right? Bum.
That would be
3 notes and then a bar line. Follow, follow,
then 2 notes and
follow,
bar.
follow
And then a
me.
2-note bar.
Let's make a line for, yep, bar line. Bum, bum. Next note. So we had, yep, a ray. How many rays?
2.
2 rays.
And then 1 do.
Ray, ray, bar line. Do. What are you gonna need on the do? What do you think? There's
It's
only
like
1 note.
1 D,
So you're not gonna color it in. Now, at the end of a song, you have a double bar line. And usually that second bar line is heavier. That's what tells you you're at the end.
Why does it need to look heavy?
That's just the way they do it. So if you didn't go down, if you look at the very end of they gave you a double bar line. Do you see it on your paper? But some of you didn't.
They didn't give
Yeah, they did. They give it to you. But yours is in a different spot, so you have to draw it in. Right? Does that make sense? Okay, some of you already put your stems on there. So, Alexa, the double bar line, you have 1 in front of the thick one. See, it's a double. There's 2 of them.
Is this
There you
like
go.
a double thingy looking?
Yeah, well, okay, we're going back to put the stems on. Okay, so stems is what give you the rhythm. We have 3, so we know we're going to have at least 1 due day in there, right? So, follow, 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 follow me. Let's make a... You were right that time, Bennett. Yep, good job. So, do day. Yeah, the rest of this is easy, right? Do, half note so it gets 2 beats. Okay. Hey, and we ended just in time. How about that?
We did?
Yeah, we got like 2 minutes. Anybody need anything else done? Are you good?
I'm finished. I am good.
Yay, we did it. Woo, woo, woo. Nice.